Woohoo! What a great day for a mountain hike! You're right, Johnny. What a great idea!
This is the best. Although... Hey, what about a race to the top?
You're on! The last one is a rotten egg!
Woohoo!
Oh! Well done, Torch! We're leaving them behind! Whoa! Watch out, buddy! Wow! Nice save, pal! They're getting away!
Let's speed up, Rhino Trucks!
We're getting ahead, Torch! I don't even hear them anymore! Huh? Oh no, they're gonna fall! Guys, are you alright?
We're fine, Johnny, but you had to help us get out!
We're gonna fall! Don't worry, Leia. We won't let that happen. Animacars, we need the help of Billdozer! Billdozer, we need your help to tow Rhino Trucks back to the road! Bob, Leia, Billdozer's going to pull you out, so try not to move, okay?
Roger that!
Okay. All right, time to pull, Billdozer. Come on, come on! It's not working, Johnny! I'm really scared! That's all right, Billdozer. Let's stop for a second. They're too heavy to pull them out. Huh? I know! We'll get Leia and Bob out first! Billdozer, you have to hold on to Rhino Trucks. Bob, Leia, you have to climb your way out so that we can get Rhino, okay? Let's do this!
You're finally safe and sound!
Great job, Bob! Now it's your turn, Leia! Leia?
Are you okay?
I'm too scared, Johnny! I don't think I can do it! Don't worry, Leia. I'm gonna help you out. Billdozer! Stop him! Johnny, help! Hold on, Leia. Help is on the way. Animacars, we need the help of Truxel! Truxel, quick! You have to get Leia before she splits! job, guys. Now we can go back home safe and sound. Ahem. I think our mountain hike is not over yet.
Yeah, Johnny, I don't want to leave without finishing it.
Are you guys sure? Okay, just no raises this time. All right? Let's go!
Now remember, we're not allowed to hide in the construction site, okay? It's too dangerous. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
Fiddlesticks.
Yeah. Gotcha, George.
Now where is Crocodile?
Huh? Hi, Bob.
Hi, Johnny. I just saw Crocodile drive into the construction site, and now I can't find him. I'm afraid he gets hurt.
We told him not to go hide there. Don't worry, Bob. We're on our way.
Hi, guys. Thanks for coming.
Don't worry, Bob. Let's find him.
Whoa. Ooh, Crocodile, are you here?
Where can he be? I think we need a higher point of view. Let's call G-Crane for help. Hey, G-Crane, can you help us find Crocodile?
Watch out! Fresh cement! Oh, look, he's here!
Oh no! He got stuck in wet cement! Hey, buddy! Try to come to me! Good idea, G-Crane.
Oh no, he can't open his mouth wide enough. What if we make a bridge?
Yeah! Yes. Can you help us make a bridge to get closer to him?
Okay. Perfect! Let's use these rocks, Wheelephant.
Nice work.
Thanks, Wheelephant.
Don't worry, buddy. We got this. Okay, G-Crane. Pull! Whoa! Huh? It dried. The floor's hard now. I know what to do. We need your super strength.
It's working! You scared us, buddy. Will you listen to us next time? 8, 9, 10. Aha!
Boo!
Wow!
It's your time to count, Crocodile. Another great day with the Animal Cars. Come on, come on.
Let's do this.
You're not going to beat me this year.
We'll see about that. Oh no! Demo Lizard got off track. Wow, that's a long way up.
We need to bring him back down.
The controls are stuck.
I can't climb up there. It's too dangerous.
And poor Demo Lizard is afraid of heights. We need to find a way to reach him.
I know just the animal car for the job.
Hey, G-Crane.
We need your help, my friend. Demo Lizard's really scared. I need you to hold still so I can climb up and talk to him, okay? Easy there, big guy. I know you're frightened. We're going to get you down. Can you use your sticky wheels to drive down? You're too scared? What if we turn this into a game? Come on, you can do it. It's okay, buddy. I'll be back soon. I promise.
He won't come down? We have to get the Ferris wheel moving again, then that way he'll come to us. It's still stuck.
The crashes damaged the system.
I know what we can try. It's far too heavy for us. Ouch!
Let's call someone big and strong to the rescue. Hey, Bulldozer, we need your help, buddy. When I wave this flag, I need you both to pull as hard as you can to turn the Ferris wheel. On your marks, get set, go! That's it, Bulldozer, you can do it.
Come on, G-Crane, show them what you got.
Yes, we did it! Great job, you two. Racing together against each other can be a lot of fun, but working together is even better.
Yes, we're all winners today. Right, Demo Lizard?
Wow! Huh?
Nothing better than a day at the swamp. You're right, Johnny. Look at this. Oh, that looks like fun. I'm coming, Leia.
Johnny, look!
Rhino Drugs, take it easy, buddy. Torch, try to slow him down a bit. He's going to make us sing. Wow, this is not what I expected. Did you know the mud pool was this shallow? How should I know? I've never thought of swimming in the mud. Come on, Rhino Trucks, get out of there! Are you okay, Rhino? Why don't you try to go backwards? Don't worry, buddy. We'll get you out of there. Don't worry, Torch. Rhino Trucks will be fine. I know who can pull them out. Animacars. We need the help of Bulldozer. Thank you for coming to help us, Bulldozer. We need your strength to help pull Rhino Drugs out of the mud. Well done, Bulldozer. Okay, buddy, time to pull. know you've done your best. Oh, this is not enough. What can we do? I know. Let's all pull together. Good idea, Johnny. Huh? Go, Anima Hook! Hey. Wow. All right, guys. On the count of 3, we all pull. 1, 2, 3, pull! Come on, just a little more. He's really stuck. We need an extra pair of hands. Or wheels! Anima cars! We need the help of G-Crane! G-Crane, we need you to lift Rhino Truck so Bulldozer can get him out of the mud. Nice throw, G-Crane! Okay, guys, again, at the count of 3, everybody has to pull with all their strength. 1, 2, 3! Just one last pull, come on! Great work, team. That was awesome. Are you okay, Rhino Truck? Huh? What's going on here? Wow! So you had more things to say from the mud, right, Torch?
Wow, it's huge.
A ton of metal, a ton of cream, and a ton of love.
Trackadile will love it. There she is. Hi, Delibug. Slow down, slow down. Stop. Perfect. All right, Delibug, let's deliver that cake to the beach. Nora's waiting.
Be safe, my friend. See you at Trackadile's party.
Thanks, Katie.
Everything looks perfect, right, Ed?
I'm almost done. Just a second. What? Come on!
Johnny should be here soon. I wonder how they're doing with the cake.
Delibug is so strong. I wonder how such a tiny Anima car can lift that much weight. Delibug, watch out! Are you okay? Oh no, we need help. This cake is too heavy. Let's call a friend. So good to see you, Wheelephant. can you help us get Crocodile's cake? Delibug is a bit tired. Woohoo! Go, Willy! Go, Willy! Yes! Now put it down! Huh? Amazing, my friend. Now let's bring that cake to the party. No, Delibug. You should rest a little.
They should be here by now. Crocodile could arrive any minute.
Ah. We'll never make it in time.
Johnny, where are you?
Crocodile's cake is too heavy. Nora, I'm not sure we're gonna make it in time.
Oh no! Ed and Bulldozer will come to help while I wait for Crocodile.
Thanks, Nora.
Help incoming!
Thanks for coming, guys. All right, let's do this. We've got a giant cake to deliver. Okay, whoa!
We're gonna mess the cake up. It would be easier if it was on wheels.
Ed, you're a genius. I can't believe I didn't think of that before. Hello, Rhino Trucks. Thanks for coming to the rescue.
Don't worry, Crocodile. They'll be here soon. Look, all your friends are here.
Happy birthday, Greedy Gator!
Happy birthday, Crocodile. Whoa! A giant cake for a giant friend.